Alright, here's our 7-day outlook. Isn't that nice? That's been about the outlook since April here. It's June 21. We're in the middle of Tropical Storm Cindy. There we go. Here's some Cindy. Right there. Alright, well, what do we do when we have a Tropical Storm Cindy? We go for a drive.
Welcome back to
Let's go.
continued coverage of Tropical Storm Cindy, which continues to churn out of the Gulf.
Where are we going to go? Where are we going to go? Let's go down to Galvez Landing on Old River here in Innerarity Point, adjacent to Perdido Key. And let's see how much our inland waters have come up. There we go. We're on Canal Drive. It's the last road on the mainland of Florida in Innerarity Point before you go over the Bars Bridge to Perdido Key. And we're going to take a left on Innerarity Point Road here and go to the west on Innerarity Point Road to Galvez Landing. I don't think we're going to see anybody launching any boats today. So far we really haven't had a lot of high wind, just a lot of rain. Not much power outages, had a few this morning, especially in Navarre over in Santa Rosa County on the beach. A few thousand people had no power for a few hours. Had really only a couple hundred people without power total in Escambia County so far. We haven't had any problem with power or cable internet. One of those weather events here in Florida that makes you really glad you don't have satellite TV and you're not paying for that. We've tried that, and on a day like today, you get nothing. Alright, here we are on Galvez Street. It's also the location of Hub Stacey's restaurant. Hub Stacey's at the point. Like somebody is recovering a boat. It's probably not real bright. Oh yeah. So the piers look to be mostly submerged. Good where you can see. The water's way up. Usually about another 10 feet of dry land in front of me for I'm sitting right now. Let me turn those off. Adjust the camera a little bit, get you a better angle. Hasn't quite submerged that dock. I've seen this dock here get destroyed from these storms before. Once they get submerged, the wave action gets really bad. It starts hammering them from the bottom side and it'll tear them loose. Looks like this is going to hold up okay from this, unless it gets a lot worse here. So that's that. Pretty ugly. Some people out here trying to, I guess, recover this boat. There's these folks here. I don't know what they're doing. I guess they're recovering that boat. Oh, look at the poor heron sitting there. Wow. You can see him or not, there's a blue heron sitting there just getting wailed on by this rain and wind. He may be getting some fish out of there to come in, who knows. I don't know why he'd be there if he wasn't eating. We usually see those birds do anything but eat. Coming down harder and harder. Let me get that view here, that's a good view. It's cut loose now. Just on the weather, they said that they were starting to get some relief from the rain over in Panama City ways, so Destin area starting to maybe come into the clear a little bit, but boy, we're sure not. We're far enough east of them. We're still just getting wailed on here. It's a lot of rain. Alrighty. Shut this off. We'll load it up. Thanks for watching.